Looking to make your next painting project faster and more efficient? The right tool can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll dive into the best paint sprayers on the market, highlighting their unique features and how they can help you achieve a flawless finish with minimal effort. Let's explore what makes these sprayers stand out and how they can elevate your DIY or professional projects. GRACO MAGNUM Project Painter. The GRACO MAGNUM Project Painter Plus Paint Sprayer stands out as a top choice for DIYers this year, offering excellent value for a wide range of painting tasks. This sprayer is perfect for anyone looking to quickly tackle projects like decks, fences, or even garage doors. The fully adjustable pressure control allows users to spray unthinned paints and stains at any pressure, ensuring optimal results with every coat. We were particularly impressed by its flexibility, with a suction tube that lets you spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket, reducing the need for constant refills. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose, along with the ability to extend up to 50 feet, makes this sprayer perfect for large-scale projects or hard-to-reach areas, all without sacrificing performance. The sprayer's low-profile design with an integrated pail hook makes it easy to transport and store, and it's surprisingly lightweight at just 13 pounds. Reviewers have highlighted how easy it is to use, even for beginners. For the price, this sprayer delivers an impressive performance with consistent, high-quality finishes. Whether you're updating a fence or painting the exterior of your home, if you're looking for efficiency and durability, the GRACO MAGNUM Project Painter Plus won't disappoint. GRACO MAGNUM Cart Paint Sprayer. The GRACO MAGNUM Cart Paint Sprayer stands out as one of the best paint sprayers in 2025, offering exceptional performance for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a fully adjustable pressure control, this sprayer allows you to tackle projects of varying sizes, from small touch-ups to larger home improvement. One of its standout features is the Pro X stainless steel piston pump, which sprays unthinned paints at high pressure, ensuring a smooth and consistent finish. The flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket, making it ideal for larger jobs. It also supports up to 150 feet of paint hose, providing extra reach for multi-story projects. The InstaClean pump filter reduces clogs, while the Power Flush adapter simplifies cleanup by connecting to a garden hose. Designed with durability in mind, the GRACO paint sprayer is built to handle up to 500 gallons of paint annually, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. Customers have praised its ability to handle thick paints and its ease of use, making it a reliable choice for a variety of painting projects. If you're looking for a versatile and high-performing paint sprayer, the GRACO MAGNUM Pro X19 is an excellent choice. HOMERIGHT HVLP Paint Sprayer. Next up, we're reviewing the HOMERIGHT HVLP Paint Sprayer, an excellent choice for anyone seeking a fast and effective solution for small painting projects. Ideal for furniture, crafts, and decor, this compact and lightweight sprayer delivers a smooth, consistent finish without the brush mark. The adjustable spray settings allow you to choose between horizontal, vertical, or round patterns, offering versatility for various applications. One standout feature is the Lock and Go technology, which allows for quick material changes and easy cleaning. This makes it incredibly convenient for users who frequently switch between different colors or materials. The sprayer works with a variety of paints and stains, including thinned chalk, milk, and latex paints, as well as lacquers and sealers, providing great flexibility for DIY projects. The 27-ounce tank capacity ensures you can work without frequent refills, while the smooth operation ensures a professional result every time. Whether you're refinishing furniture or crafting a new piece, the HOMERIGHT Quick Finish Sprayer offers a user-friendly experience with impressive results. For those tackling small to medium-sized projects, it's an affordable and efficient tool that should be in every DIY enthusiast toolkit. GRACO MAGNUM Airless Paint Sprayer. The GRACO MAGNUM Airless Paint Sprayer is a fantastic choice for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts looking to take on bigger painting projects with ease and precision. This powerful airless sprayer delivers incredible performance, making it perfect for tasks like painting fences, decks, or even multi-story homes. The adjustable pressure control is a game changer, giving you complete control over paint flow, whether you're working with thin or thick materials. What really stands out with the MAGNUM X5 is its flexibility and reach. The flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket, reducing the hassle of constant refills. Plus, it supports up to 75 feet of hose, allowing you to cover large areas without losing power or performance. One of the biggest selling points of this sprayer is its ease of use. The lightweight design makes it manageable for long hours of work, and the power flush adapter ensures that cleanup is quick and straightforward. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or just getting started, this sprayer is built to handle a variety of projects with efficiency and consistency. A solid thumbs up for anyone looking to elevate their painting game. Titan CONTROLMAX Paint Sprayer. Introducing the Titan CONTROLMAX Airless Paint Sprayer, perfect for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners tackling larger painting projects. If you're looking for a sprayer that delivers quality results with ease, this is the tool for you. The CONTROLMAX 1900 Pro boasts HEA technology, which reduces overspray by up to 55%, giving you a smoother and more consistent finish on every project. Whether you're painting fences, decks, or home exteriors, this sprayer allows you to apply coatings 3 times faster than a roller. The device features a 0.70 horsepower pump, capable of spraying unthinned paints and stains at a rate of up to 0.40 gallons per minute. Its 50-foot hose provides ample reach, and it can even extend up to 100 feet, making it perfect for tackling large spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Plus, with the added bonus of a fully portable cart design and wheels, you can move around your workspace with ease. For those looking to elevate their DIY game, the CONTROLMAX 1900 Pro also comes with a handy app to help you with recommended settings, ensuring optimal results for every paint job. If you're ready to take your projects to the next level, this paint sprayer will make your work feel like a breeze.